Hey everyone! Today we'll be celebrating the triumphant return of the famed Balisong offerings from Bradley Cutlery, available now at knifecenter.com. The Bradley Kimura has been off the market for some time now, so used models are highly sought after. Luckily, we have some great news for you. They're back. Like the originals, the new 2018 Bradley Kimura is American-made and comes in at a great price. Better yet, your dollars go a long way, because this knife performs like a much more expensive Balisong. The Kimura features an elegant spear point blade and a graceful flat grind. 154 cm steel means it can do some real work while maintaining capable edge retention and great corrosion resistance, and its bronze washers help to ensure consistent and smooth flipping action. Users should have no problem dialing in this bali to suit their preferences. The pivots are adjustable with torx bits, and the latch is also user-reversible to accommodate any flipping style. You'll have the option for 3 different colored G10 handle scales, which provide plenty of traction, but they can be removed if you desire a cleaner look or slimmer carry. If you're looking for a capable and affordable butterfly knife to add to your collection, look no further. The Bradley Kimura looks and performs like a rock star and is priced right. If you want to get your hands on one of these smooth Bradley Cutlery Balisongs, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at knifecenter.com and check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.